Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add your business to Google Maps. This is an essential step for any business owner looking to increase their visibility and make it easier for potential customers to find them online. Let's walk through the entire process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This will take you to the Google Maps homepage where you can start the process of adding your business listing. Once you're on Google Maps, look to the left side of your screen and click on the menu icon. This icon typically appears as three horizontal lines and will open up a navigation menu with various options for managing your Google Maps experience. From the menu that appears, click on Add Your Business. This option is specifically designed for business owners who want to create a new listing on Google Maps. Clicking this will open a new tab in your browser where you'll begin the registration process. Now it's time to input your business name. Type in the exact name of your business as you want it to appear on Google Maps, then click Continue. Make sure the name is accurate and matches how customers know your business. Next, you'll need to choose your business type. Google offers several options here, including online retail, local store, and service business. Click the checkbox next to the category that best describes your business model, then click Next to proceed. After selecting your business type, you'll be asked to input a business category. This helps Google understand what products or services you offer. Type in the most relevant category for your business and click Next. Now it's time to input your business address. Enter the complete street address where your business is located, then click Next. This information is crucial as it determines where your business will appear on the map. On the following screen, you can input your phone number and website. The phone number helps customers contact you directly, while the website field is optional but recommended if you have one. Once you've filled in these details, click Next. Now click Continue to move forward with the setup. At this point, you'll need to wait a moment while the page loads and processes your information. Next, you'll need to verify your mailing address. This is an important security step to ensure that you're the legitimate owner of the business. Once you've confirmed your mailing address is correct, click Next. Now it's time to add your business hours. Input the days and times when your business is open to customers. This information helps people know when they can visit or contact you. After entering your hours, click Next. You'll then be prompted to add a business description. This is your opportunity to tell potential customers what makes your business special and what services or products you offer. Write a clear, concise description and click Next. Next, you have the option to add a storefront photo. This helps customers recognize your business when they arrive. Choose a clear, professional photo of your storefront and click Next. You can also add additional photos of your business to give customers a better sense of what to expect. Select any interior shots, product photos, or other relevant images, then click Next. And that's it. Now all you need to do is wait for Google to verify your business listing. This verification process typically involves receiving a postcard at your business address with a verification code. Once verified, your business will be live on Google Maps, making it easier for customers to find you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.